Make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I am here with a 2015 Subaru Legacy. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a remote headed key. I've already went ahead and duplicated one using the Ilco lookalike replacement remotes, and we're gonna use the Autek Ikey820 to program it. So let's go ahead and let's hop inside and let's get to programming. All right, now I've already went ahead before I even got here and I checked the PDF to make sure that this vehicle is one that the Autek Ikey820 could do. I highly suggest you get really familiar with that list and you always double check it before you accept the job or go out to a job to actually get the keys programmed. Now, I've already went ahead and connected this Autek machine to the OBD2 port and we're ready to get programming. So the first thing we're gonna do here is go to Key Program, and then we're gonna go down to Subaru. There we go. Now we're going to go by vehicle. We're going to go down here to Legacy. And we're going to 2015. Press OK. Okay, so key and keyless and remote. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. So we'll go ahead and click OK. Okay, turn ignition on. Now I always like to put the new key that I'm getting ready to program actually in to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that put in here. Turn ignition on. You'll hear it kind of chiming in the back there. We'll click OK. It's connecting. Okay, let's go ahead and just see how many total keys are in here. Okay, let's go ahead and click that. So there's 3 of them. So we'll go back and hit OK. Then we'll go to Program Key right there. Hit OK. Okay, so it says insert a programmed key and turn ignition on. Okay, so it wants an actual programmed one. So my theory on this one's not working too well. So I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to grab the programmed key, put it in, and turn it on. I'm going to click OK. Turn ignition off and remove key and insert a new key and turn ignition on. Program next key, we'll click OK. Just like that. So we're done now. We could add more if we wanted to right there. We're going to go ahead and hit escape. And then we got to go back here. So let me go ahead and pull this out here because, so even though this is programmed, it's not, the buttons don't work because we have to actually program that separately. So we're going to go down into Program Remote. Okay. So it says press, I'm gonna put this on my knee here, hopefully you can still see it. Press the lock button once, then the unlock button once on the programming remote, okay? So, so we're gonna hit the lock button once, and then the unlock. Okay, hopefully you could hear that cycle there. That beep you heard, that was actually from another car around here. So that didn't have any, that was not this vehicle. So there we go. So now we're completely programmed. It's really crazy how simple this machine is to use and how easy the steps are to follow, okay? So just like that, we are done, okay? So let's go ahead and let me just unhook this here. Let's go ahead and let's get it started up, make sure it works. All right, the security light is off, so we're good to go there. Let's just go ahead and just double check it here. Just like that, we are good to go. This key and remote is now programmed. All right, so once again, the Autek Ikey820 comes through. Now, I find it just fascinating how easy this machine is to use and to get started and how easy the prompts are. In the past, I've definitely had problems programming the remotes on these keys. But in the case of this car and this machine today, that was not a problem. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're gonna pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.